Today I traded inconsistently, and I finally paid the price for all my stupid actions. And I'm risking $200 on this. I'm risking 2 points. I want to get out. Because what if it doesn't go below this low? It's like easier to train your brain at an early age. Kind of like the same way it's easier to learn a language. And learning to read the markets, that's a language. To still become profitable if I just didn't do stupid BS. Only down at $82. I could have been down $1,000 and hello everybody, welcome back to a video. Today is Monday, October 28th, and I just wanted to capture my thought process while it's happening. Because oftentimes I'll make videos after the fact. I'll look back and I'll say, oh, I should have gotten here. But as I've been criticized, correctly pointed out, looking back and just looking where the market turns and saying, oh, I should have done this here isn't helpful. It's hindsight bias. It's anyone can look back at the chart. So right now I'm short, and I think this is I don't know. On the 15-minute chart, it looks like a good short. On the 1 hourly chart, to me, it looks like a good short. But I think I'm about to get stopped and hit my max loss for the day. I really hope that doesn't happen, and I have two big size here. I have two contracts on, which for my account is far too large. So that's another self-criticism I have. Okay. Looks like we're about to get stopped out. Oh, this is gonna hurt. Fuck. It seems like it's the right time to have a short bias. I got my confirmation entry here. Um, Man, it goes down again. Maybe I should just get out and sell one contract. Yeah, I think we're like about to get stopped out. The reason I'm short here though, like I started the day being long. I got long here and I lost. This should have been short because it consolidated near the bottom. But the reason I got long is because we're above the moving averages. But then I'm like, okay, actually though, looking at this closer, the 9 and the 21 moving average are below the 200, and we're about to get stopped, I think. The 9 and the 21, yep, we just got stopped. Huge loss. 697. Okay. Wow, I did not expect it to be that big. Kind of in panic mode here, because I'm. Fuck. I had a really good green week last week, but a lot of it was luck, and a lot of it was from trading in a way that is not sustainable. It's from trading in a way that causes me stress, that causes me anxiety, that's not consistent. And today I traded inconsistently, and I finally paid the price for all my stupid actions. So let's just break it down. Let's talk about the trades after the fact and talk about what needs to change in my system, my plan to become more systematic. Because now it looks like it's actually the right time to take it long. I don't know. I don't know. I'm flipping biases and changing my opinion today, and it's not good. It's not good. I'm hurting myself, um, and I'm losing lots of money. So, fuck, I'm really pissed off. Okay. So we gapped up, we pushed down. And at this point, this whole time, I'm thinking, okay, we're looking pretty bullish because we're above these moving averages on the 5, we're above on the 15, we're above on the hourly, at least for the MNQ. So it looks pretty bullish. But the ES, well, now we had a 9 cross over the 21, but yeah, I thought we should be bullish because we're above all these moving averages, and so I got long at the bottom of the range. Not with confirmation, keep in mind. Not with confirmation. I got long on the bullish candle close with the stop loss underneath. So this is a preventable stop loss. I was trying to buy a better price. I thought this was looking really good, but price is random. Price is unpredictable. You can never know what's going to happen, and that's why we can't do this bullshit where we enter without confirmation. It's going to catch up with me eventually. So we push down below. And finally, I would say like this is our first good confirmation to get long. But I don't know, because it's the MNQ is looking a lot more bullish. To me. But am I just saying, I think I'm just saying that because I'm like really biased right now because I just lost with it going against me. Like, I need to define my plan better because I just gave away half of last week's winnings. My count now is at 2,282. We just blew past the stop loss with this trade, unfortunately. I don't look at my profit and loss while I trade. Damn, we were at 342. So, like, we probably shouldn't have even taken that last trade. But it was a dumb gamble. That's what it was. At the time, I was convincing myself it wasn't, but I need to better define my plan, guys, because, well, hold on. Let's open my plan. Ooh. My one-page plan. This is my plan. And like this here, this is just a reminder. This doesn't tell me what to do objectively. This doesn't tell me what to do objectively. This kind of tells me only trade great setups at key levels, good locations, but it's still super vague. Avoid no man's land in between levels on inside days. Well, this is an inside day. And so this is basically, this is probably all should be considered no man's land. And then we even set an intraday range, which I tried to go long from the bottom of, and that failed. And then I tried to go short, even though this short move already happened. We already came down 17 points. So, like, this is probably the time to get long. Oh, I'm just so disappointed in myself because I thought I was better than this now, but I'm not better than this. I need to make my plan better. I want to keep reviewing this though. This is not part of, like, this is just telling me to avoid BS. So, fuck it. We're deleting that because it's not part of the plan. Avoid and chop. I highlighted the range and I tried to trade from the bottom of the chop to the top. I lost. It went out of the chop. I tried to trade down. But I guess we're still technically in yesterday's prior day range. So reversals, range, choppy moves are common. Who knows? Maybe it's going to break out of this range, come back to the low of the range, and this will act as resistance now. I don't know. I don't have a crystal ball. That's why I need a plan. I know technical analysis is bad at predicting in the short term, but it works in the long term because it gives traders a rigid stop loss system. Um, but I want to get my win rate up to 60 to 70%, and I want to make more on my winners than my losers. So how do I decide what to do here? Because look at these bars. These bars are making lower lows and lower highs on the hourly. They're breaking below, which kind of makes me think I should get short again here. Because it looks like, to me, when I was thinking short, that this gap here would close. This is almost a 30-point gap. And we've had lots of bearish, aggressive bearish moves in this market. And we've set lower highs. Recently, we've also set higher lows. So we're in like a consolidation here. Multi-point shape. We're in a consolidation here. Like a triangle consolidation where we're getting lower highs but also higher lows. So that's confusing. But I don't know. On the daily, though, we're still clearly in an uptrend. And, like, the daily is what's most important. So should I only be going for longs? I mean, it's kind of... You don't really want to be... Like, this consolidation, this bottle up, this... I don't want to look back and in hindsight say, oh my gosh, that was such a good long there. Or look back and say, oh, that was such a good short. Like, it's not useful to look back at a chart and say this is where I should get long and this is where I should get short. That's what a lot of my reviews have been, because I want to build that muscle memory and like build a playbook. So that's what's so tricky about this to me. Like, now this is looking long to me, but also I could say this is looking short. Like, I'm clearly, and this is going to frustrate viewers because it's like I'm just complaining and looking like an idiot here. Clearly, I don't have a good plan. I don't know what I'm doing. And that's what this channel is about. It's about making my plan robust and building it. So, okay, here's like the real part of the plan. Right side of the V entry and EMA's entry. And this is for level-to-level moves. And I need to change this. Like, I need to add something about the hourly. Like, what's the hourly doing? So, like, 1 hour above or below. And I need to also build reasons like, are we inside or outside prior day range? Inside or outside prior day range? I need to define this better. Also right. Because if I don't define this, I'm not going to have an identity as a trader. I'm not going to know what the fuck to do. Now this is looking bullish to me. Yeah, because they're coming in. It's come up like almost 10 points now. But we haven't got below this candle's, or above this candle's high. So maybe it's going to turn around here pretty soon and we're going to get a good short opportunity. This is a tricky time to trade. And it's an important reminder that the market does not want to be traded all the time. The market should not be traded all the time. The market should not be traded all the time. It doesn't want to be traded all the time. And I need to better identify when those times are. Like even these 1 hour EMAs, like should I just focus on is it above all three? Or should I focus on are the 9 and the 21 below or above the 21? Because we want to capture these big moves on the hourly. We want to look at the level to level. We want to look at the key levels and say, are we above or below these key levels? Okay, we're below or above them. That's when the price action is cleaner and runs down like this. That's when we want to make our trades. And the market oscillates between expanding and consolidating, between trending and ranging. And right now it's obviously consolidating, it's ranging, but it's going to have an expansion and it's going to have a big move. And I need to be able to identify, okay, when are those big moves? How can I enter them? And I need to better define my plan. Risk size. I don't care size. I truly didn't care about this short here when I did 2 contracts. And it was just really dumb. Because, like, it's impossible to trade the size I'm trading and not blow up. It was really stupid to take that trade. With 2 contracts. 1 contract, okay. But 2 contracts, that's just unacceptable. Um... Like normally if I was in hindsight, I'd say, oh, bar 16, bar 17, I should go short there. Bar 24, I should have gone short there. And bar 23, I should have gone short there. Those are good signal bars. That's what I would normally say in a review. But that's not fair because I'm just looking at what happens after and saying, oh yeah, I should have got short there. Yeah. Like that doesn't work. I need to, before I can see all this, be able to say, okay, we made a push down, we made a push up, we made a push down, we made a push up, we're stopping. Is this a consolidation for a move up? Or is this a rejection of this level and a push down? And what can influence my opinion? Like what can objective data points can I look at? Sorry, I'm getting a call. Been getting so many calls lately. I think it's just all the bots because it's October 28th. I need dang, that call totally interrupted me. I was on a great train of thought. I need to be able to look at this and discern from the higher time frames these moving averages on the hourly, because the hourly is like my guiding force. Like that's how I want to make my decisions. Like I want to go short now. And I think I'm going to try for another short. And if I lose on this short, then I don't know. That just really sucks. But like this, I was wrong to think long at the start. Like just because it's above these moving averages shouldn't mean long, because we've been setting, I need to look at the market structure too. We've been setting lower highs. And the market structure is important. But then the daily is also the most important time frame, because that, like, price action is fractal. All price action for the most part is the same. I think if you get down to like the 1 second time frames, price action is no longer fractal, but like generally speaking for the time frames I'm trading, price action is the same. And so what happens here on the daily, like I want to capture the big, like a half, like each daily bar I want to capture just like half of that on those big moves. When it's grinding up, if I could just capture half of this, 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 half of this. I just want to focus on trying to capture half of the daily move. And on the doji bar days, if I could just capture like the move down or the move up, you know, that is would be ideal. And we notice, you know, the inside days just aren't as good. This day is a good day because although it starts inside the prior day range, this is a consolidation. We want to coming out of consolidation is good. But right after an expansion, like these 2 days, we get a consolidation. So the market context is really important. And here's really tricky because it's like huge bar, wick underneath, wick up top. So this is like total no man's land. And like I probably should have just looked at this today and said, I'm not going to trade this today because look at this. It's in a range. Here's a move down, consolidation. We can expect, because it's a move down, consolidation, we'll get another move down. Well, look, big move down. Came back though. Open down here. That's a gap down. We can expect a move up. Big gap down. It's almost outside the prior day range. And we've been trending. Like this day was like a really big missed opportunity. This was a great short day outside the day. And again, I'm doing exactly what I said before, where I am just looking back at the hindsight and saying what I think is going to happen. All right, I think I need to go short on this bar. I think I need to go short because fuck. See, I didn't wait for the bar to close. Hopefully we can make our money back here. I doubt it though, because I just entered without confirmation. I just went against the thing I said I needed to do. Ugh. Like I have, my good trade is I'm willing to risk money, and I'm willing to go for the big home runs because you need to do that as a trader. What I really struggle with is the friction side and what keeps me out. I really need more friction to keep me out of bad trades. And I'm hoping this can be a pullback and we can come down here and target and try and close this gap. I really freaking hope that that's what can happen. Because this was basically a Hail Mary. This is like the Washington Commanders against the Chicago Bears from Sunday, October 27th. If you're not a football person, you won't understand that reference. But there was a Hail Mary. They went on a crazy throw against all odds. So, this is dumb. And this is like, I literally just finished saying I probably shouldn't trade today. But like, this is looking bearish. We're getting lower highs. Okay? I don't trade trend lines, but like if I'm a trend line trader, it's going down. Okay, now that's an actual good short bar because it went below this bar. So I just got pretty lucky with this fill. And I'm risking $200 on this. I'm risking 2 points, which each point is $50, and I have 2 contracts. So, but look at now this is like if we just take away all the other context, this looks like a bullish flag. And the 9 EMA looks like it's about to cross over long. But this time frame is noise. So what's happening at the 15-minute time frame? Higher. I'm going to get rid of that trend line. Well, on the 15-minute time frame, it looks kind of bullish. Because we set a higher low and we're above both EMAs. So that looks pretty bullish. But on the hourly, and like this is where I get confused. And this is where like I get really disparaged and feel helpless, cuz like I'm trading without a great system. And yes, I'm starting to have better win streaks because I'm waiting for confirmation entries. And yes, I've had like a profitable month. That's great. But it's not consistent, and a lot of it was shooting from the hip. And there was so much added stress that I didn't need to add, simply because I wasn't confident in my trades. Like, so much of my trading was luck. So much of my trading was luck. And maybe this is bullish. Like, we're getting a pullback, but we're consolidating to the EMAs. And like 50% of gaps close within 24 hours. 50% of gaps close within 24 hours. And sorry, I have to look at this. Oh, we're going down. We're going down pretty good. 50% of gaps close within 24 hours, and 75% of gaps close within 72 hours. Because the market is efficient. And when I say the market is efficient, I mean the market efficiently closes gaps. So statistically, it's likely that this gap will close. And the reason I want to be short is just because the moves have been so much more bearish that we've seen lately. Super bearish. Super bearish. And if this short works out, and look, we're breaking the low of this 15-minute bar now. So that's like a really good sign. And yeah, it's hard for me to hold on to this because I could make back so much of what I lost if I just exit over here. Oh, do not come back and stop me out. Please keep going. Please keep going. It actually like makes me nauseous, like being in these types of trades, because the stress is so high and the risk is so high. And it's an emotional, like, it's so hard emotionally. Damn. See, if I would have sold here, I'm thinking about the dollars. Like, I can't think about the dollars. I have to think about the process. And the process, I think, is telling me to stick with this short. And I can just trail, like, let's say this is my profit target here. Right here. I'll sell one contract here at 59. And I'll move these down to there. Like, this is looking pretty damn short. But I want to get out. I want to get out. Because what if it doesn't go below this low? But, like, I have to look at these higher time frames. I'm getting out of one contract. 262. And then I'm going to try and let this one ride. Fuck, maybe I should get out of this one too. It's C I struggle holding. Like, I don't want this wick, though, to be the bottom, because this is, like, the perfect consolidation near the bottom. Like, I'm gonna try and keep riding this down. Like 262, that's a really... I'm really happy with that. But I think I just need to take my profit here. 362. Alright, down $82. And watch, now this is going to go all the way down here. And I could have had a trade that made a crazy amount of money. But I'll just miss out because I exited early. Because I was fearful. I'm letting fear influence my trading, and I don't know. It's really... It's a mind F. A total mind F. I'm going to end it here because this is a long video. Already. And I mainly just wanted to capture my thought process about what I need to work on. Let me go back to this trading. Like, should I have this optional early exit? I think I should. Take profit. Don't get out till there's a good reason to. I mostly agree with that. I want to have a 60 to 70% win rate, and I want to go for 1 to 2 R targets. But clearly, I don't know what I'm doing right now. Or clearly, like, I just need to be better about not trading when the market's not right. Like, maybe the answer is there's no good move today because of exactly lower lows or lower highs, higher lows. That's contradicting. Like, we want to see higher highs and higher lows, like boop, 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 boop. Or we want to see lower highs and lower lows. Boop, 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 boop. I'm not going to make the sound effect, but, like, if it's lower highs and lower lows, it's coming together and forming a precipice. And if it's higher highs and lower lows, then it's just way out of whack. And it's super erratic. Which, I think we saw some of that back in July, I think. I don't know. But I need to be better at, like, understanding market structure. I need to be better at sitting out of shit. So if you have any comments, I really like, this is a video I really want comments on. Like, if there's any video that a successful trader, someone who really knows what they're doing, if there's any, like, video where I really am asking something of my audience and needing advice, it's this video. I really, really hope that people watch this and can give me insights in the comments. And I really hope that if you have a Discord, add me on Discord. My Discord is .pete.m. So just .pete.m. Um, and I would love for you to add me on Discord and add like a message so I know it's not just some like bot. But just I would love if you could reach out to me. Or just petetrades@gmail.com. petetrades@gmail.com. That's my contact information. Um, petetrades@gmail.com is a great place to reach me too. Because I just like, I'm going to meet with my friend Russell. He's been like a huge mentor to me. He watches my videos and he's a profitable trader. And he's younger than me, which is pretty cool too. Um, I envy him definitely that he figured it out at an early age. Because I think it's like easier to train your brain at an early age. Kind of like the same way it's easier to learn a language. And learning to read the markets, that's a language. But, so he's going to help me define my plan. Because I need to axe this crap up here. Not all of it, because, like, I think it is good to have some reminder. But I need to, like, make this part more detailed. I need to ask, like, I shouldn't be questions of, like, oh, well, we're below these we're above these EMAs, but we're above these, but we've been making higher lows. It needs to be like clear cut, and I need to do a better job at defining that. Otherwise, there's going to be a day where I don't get lucky, where I don't get lucky and make my money back on a short. And today, if I just used freaking confirmation entries, short here, short here, long here, short here. If I just used confirmation entries and didn't trade guessing where confirmation is, my knowledge of price action might be acceptable to still become profitable if I just didn't do stupid BS, right? Like, if I just said, oh, here's a really small bar at the top of the Kellner channel. Let me risk money here. Or have a gap up. Let me try for a short. And just target like a 1 or 2R. So like double the size of this bar. Just target, 1, 2. Just target the moving average. That is, let's say 71 points from 75.5 points. So, 4.5 points. Boom, profit. Say I do the same thing with bar 24. Let's say I just, I could have put in a limit order buy above and a limit order buy below. And just target 2R. I said I could have done that at 32 and said, this is a bigger bar, but I think, it has potential to go up here. I'm going to target 1R. I'll target the bottom of the range. And then bar 36, I said, oh, we're back at the bottom of the range. Let's go ahead and target the bottom again. Oh, we're at the bottom. And like this, if there's ever a time to like buy a close of a candle, which I don't think I should do, but I didn't say anything out loud, but trust me, believe me, I did have this instinct. I had the instinct to buy the close of this candle, put the stop loss below, and that's what 1 point, 2 points, 1.5 points, so risking $75. I could have bought that, and I don't think I should do that. I shouldn't get into this game, even though it would have worked. It's not like systematic. Like a systematic entry is, oh, we have a small candle, we have a small candle, we have a small candle, we have a small candle. Let's put limit orders below. And then I'm letting the market enter and exit for me. Well, not exit, but enter at least. That's a hell of a lot more systematic than, oh, we're at the bottom of the range. I should buy the close of this candle, because that's a gambling impulse. That won't help me long term. The results that'll give me long term is down $700 making videos begging for help. I'm not begging, but I'm asking. I just want to, I don't want to make videos that experienced professional traders look at and like makes them want to pull their hair out and give them PTSD because I'm making all the mistakes they used to make. And and I say that because I've had a couple people who are experienced pro traders message me and say, "This is giving me PTSD. I hate this video, annoyed me." Not in like a shitting on me way, but in like a I've been here, I made these mistakes. It infuriates me to see you making them because you know a lot, you are smart, but you're making the exact same mistakes that I made. And if you just do X, Y, and Z, you'll figure it out. And so that's why this is probably like, I don't know what I'm going to title this video. Like maybe I should title it something kind of clickbaity and dramatic, like to like really try and generate clicks, but like I just want people who are like I have 93 subscribers as of making this. So I don't need any more people to click this. Like I have the audience. I have the smart people who watch my videos now that can help me. So I'm probably just going to title this like I'm asking for your help or I need your help or something. Because I really hope people do reach out to me at ptrades@gmail and after watching this, and you know, if you want, I can send you a copy of this plan, and you can go up here to review, and you can do tracking. You can do track changes. So when you make changes, it'll come up, and when you delete stuff, it'll capture it. So if you want to do that, or better yet, if you want to like hop on a call, I don't know. This is kind of embarrassing. I don't know, not embarrassing asking for help, but and I'm gonna like I already am gonna be helped by my friend Russell today, so like I may not even need it, but this is I need to define my plan better. I need to. I will, and I'm going to. I have to. It's not a choice. It's not optional. Sorry, I was looking at a different screen. I need to be better, and I'm gonna get there eventually, but I need help, and I want to help other people someday, and like pass along all the stuff that people helped me with. Good faith, pay it forward. I've been helped by so many people, and it's like that's what the trading community is so amazing because we do help each other out. So, all right, I'm gonna stop with these requests. I love to connect with new people, so if you're out there, connect with me. I said I was gonna end it like 10 minutes ago. I'm really bad at doing that, of saying, all right, let's end it here, and then I keep talking for 10 minutes. So, I'm gonna stop now. I'm happy that I'm only down at $82 because I could have been down $1,000 and thrown away 2/3 of my progress. And the market is random. It's pure luck that I'm here. So, and if I just didn't take any, I don't know, like maybe the answer really is just after I see a bar like this, put in a limit buy or a limit sell and let it ride. I don't know. And if this bar 41 closes exactly like it does right now, maybe I'll do that. Probably not, because we're in a choppy range. And after this traumatic trading day, where I literally, felt anxious and nauseous during this video, I don't think I should take any more trades. But look, we're getting all these wicks underneath. We're above the moving averages, blah, 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 blah. So if this bar does close like this, maybe I will take a long. I don't know. Probably not. Because this, I still don't like this gentle slide down. Like, oftentimes the market will make a gentle slide down and then just dump. Exactly like it did here. Or not so much. Yeah, no, like it did on Friday. Like it did here. Gentle slide, and then it really expands down. Slow, slow, slow. Pause, turn, dump. And the same kind of works with uptrends, like consolidate, consolidate, boom. Consolidate, consolidate, opens, boom. It's a tough market right now. It's a really tough market. A lot of trading is just sitting out when it is a tough market. I want to learn to trade tough markets, but yeah. Okay, way too long a video. Obviously, I'm very emotional, and I'm probably pissing off some viewers and getting, and I'm sorry for that. I'm trying to document this process. I want to be profitable 2 to 3 years from now and be able to look back at this time and say, this is me on camera struggling and going through what traders go through. I want to capture it all, so even though I am not proud of how I'm acting and how I'm actually embarrassed, this is it. This is just raw on display, what it is, what I'm going through as a trader, and yeah, I know I'm gonna figure it out. It's just I know I'm so close, and I just need to define my plan a little bit better. So yeah, because right now this trading plan is not enough. We need to add more, and yeah, that's it. So thanks for watching. I'm gonna work on not risking too much money anymore, and I'm gonna work on only trading these small low risk bars. And I'm only gonna enter with confirmation. And I've said that I'm only gonna enter with confirmation many times, but I'm really only gonna enter with confirmation. I swear it. It's consolidating here. Let's do this. Let's put in a limit order buy and a limit order sell at this bar. And whatever happens, happens. Actually, no. Let's not trade. Cause look how choppy this is. Up, aggressive down, aggressive up. But it is kind of consolidating below that range. I don't know. Clearly, I can't end this video because I'm too indecisive, and I'm making up my mind still. Let's bet on him push down. What was this out? What did this hourly bar do? See, I don't want to miss out on a good trade. I gotta end this. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. I hope in a month my videos are better. I need to review better. I can't look after the fact and say this is what I should have done, because it won't help me be a better trader going forward. So I need to find a better way to review, and yeah, I need to define my plan better. So thank you for watching. Have a good day. This is looking kind of bearish to me because it pushed down, accepts this new level down. Yeah, we'll see. Probably not going to trade though. So thanks for watching. I'll see you at the next one. Peace.